Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we'll be sharing with you how to cook instant Korean rice cake or tteokbokki without using any microwave. So this is my favorite flavors. We have here cheese tteokbokki, kimchi, and sweet and spicy. So pinaka-favorite ko dito guys is itong cheese and itong sweet and spicy. So mabibili nyo na siya sa lahat ng Korean stores, but I got mine in Yopokki_PH at Shopee. So ang Shopee na talaga guys ang sagot sa lahat ng mga hinahanap ninyo. Kaya Shopee na! So, very perfect pala to guys while you're watching your favorite Korean movie or Korean novela. So without further ado, let's jump into the video! So while opening the cup, make sure to check the expiry date. So may instruction din siya at the back. So yung laman niya guys, isang pouch ng rice cake, then the powder. So here are the instructions. So, pour lang tayo ng enough amount ng water, then lagyan natin sa pan, then let it boil. Now, pwede na natin lagay ang ating rice cake. So, make sure nga pala to continuously stir yung ating rice cake kasi mabilis siyang dumikit sa ating pan. Ayan. So, now, pwede na natin lagay ang ating cheese powder. Then, continuous din natin siyang stir until we reach yung enough consistency ng ating sabaw. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay na yung consistency ng sabaw natin. Iba kasi mas prefer nila yung madami. Ako, mas okay sa akin yung konti para mas malasa siya. So, pwede na tayong kumain, guys. Pwede din pa rin lagyan siya ng boiled egg if you want and add some sesame seed to enrich the taste. Let's eat! So, ayan na ang unang husga ng ating cheese flavor tteokbokki. Ano bang masasabi niyo, sir? Okay po ba yung lasa? Sarap po ba? Okay naman po? Mabuti naman, sir. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Or you may comment down below the next video you wanted us to share. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye!